Servos are controlled by sending the servo a pulse width modulation signal, or a PWM. A PWM is a signal of repeating rectangular pulses of variable width or duration, which is measured in the milliseconds. Different pulse widths command the servo to go to different positions. What is the norm with servos is the pulse width of about 1.5 milliseconds is a command for the servo to go to its neutral position or center, which is the position where the amount of degrees the servo can rotate clockwise and counterclockwise is equal. For the most part, the minimum pulse width is about 1 millisecond and maximum pulse is 2 milliseconds for most servos. This is a total range from 1 to 2 milliseconds is about 180 degrees of the rotation of the servo arm. However, for most servos, non-feedback ones, even when you send a signal to the servo, you cannot receive a signal back to read the servo's position. You can either assume it is in the right position or measure the angle it is in by hand to verify that it's the position that you want it to go to. Inside the servo, there's a potentiometer that is used to get the servo motor to the correct position. You can attempt to modify the servo by tapping into the potentiometer inside and read it in terms of voltage, so you could get the position reading. Alternatively, you could include and wire up an encoder on the system to read back a position and speed with a timer.